Welcome to today's deep dive. So imagine a doctor, right? You go in with a painful knee injury.
Yeah, and they just pull out a smartphone and snap a picture of your leg.
Exactly. I mean, the photo looks great. You see the skin, the shape of the knee, but...
But it tells you absolutely nothing about the torn ligament hiding inside the joint.
Right. To actually fix that knee, you need the second doctor, the one who orders an X-ray or an MRI to see the bones and the tendons.
And, that is the exact challenge we're unpacking today for anyone managing fiber optic networks. We're exploring how to stop managing things on the surface and start seeing what's inside.
Which is really how you hook potential clients on a smarter way to work.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, managing a complex network with a generic CAD or GIS plan is exactly like diagnosing that knee with a smartphone photo.
Oh, 100%. Standard tools like AutoCAD, ArcGIS, or just basic PDF plans, they're built to draw lines on a map.
They just draw the lines.
Yeah, just lines. So you see a line on Main Street and you know a 96 fiber cable is buried there, but that's literally it.
It's like having this beautiful map of a city, but having absolutely no idea who lives in which building or if the roads are blocked.
Right. That geographic placement is just the exterior. A flat line on a map simply can't tell you which specific fibers are used, who uses them, or how they splice together.
Okay, so if the standard tools are just the outside photo, how do we actually get the X-ray?
Well, that's where Zonedge comes in. It reveals the interior, so you click that exact same 96 fiber cable, and suddenly you see, oh, fibers 1 through 12 are active for client A.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and it shows 25 through 48 are available, and 49 through 72 are reserved. And splicing enclosures aren't just like dumb map icons anymore.
Right, they become actual data.
Exactly. You see the exact trays and color-coded end-to-end connectivity.
That is wild. But wait, how does this level of interior detail actually save time in a real-world emergency? Like, say, a client's connection just suddenly drops.
Well, with standard tools, a dropped connection means your team is just scrambling to dig through outdated Excel files.
Oh, yeah, the endless spreadsheets.
Right. But with Zonedge, you click the client's address, and in 30 seconds, it traces the exact path from their home all the way to the POP.
The point of presence.
Yes, the local hub. So you see every single cable, every tray, every splice along the way.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting for me. Networks use an OTDR device, which is basically an ultrasound for the fiber, to detect breaks.
Yep, exactly.
So let's say the OTDR detects a break at exactly 3.7 kilometers with a basic map. I mean, you're just blindly guessing where 3.7 kilometers lands on the actual street.
Oh, yeah, you're totally just crossing your fingers that your spreadsheet distances perfectly match reality.
Which they rarely do.
Never. But Zonedge automatically calculates the true distance. It accounts for the actual physical routing, including the slack loops coiled up on the poles.
Wait, really? It accounts for the slack loops.
It does, and then it just drops a pin on the map pinpointing the exact pole or manhole.
That completely shifts the dynamic. You aren't just sending a truck out to blindly drive around.
Yeah.
You deploy a technician with surgical precision.
And that shift goes way beyond just emergencies, too. It moves you from reactive troubleshooting to proactive strategy.
Oh, how so?
Well, because it knows exactly what lives inside every cable, it generates color-coded saturation maps. So you look at a neighborhood and instantly know if you have the physical capacity to connect 200 new homes.
Right, before you even invest a dime in pulling new cables.
Exactly.
Which leaves you with a crucial question to ask yourself today. How many hours are currently being wasted by your team simply trying to see what is already there?
Because operating with just a photo is operating blind.
Start designing, operating, and innovating your fiber optic network today.